Just a quick update this week as vacation recovery continues and I'm outside preparing an Easter feast. If you remember last week, I was up 2 pounds after vacation and the subsequent vacation hangover. I'm happy to report I am back on the losing side, so let's get straight into the weigh-in results. The scale revealed that I am 266 pounds and 8 ounces, which is a loss of 2 pounds and 2 ounces for the week. This puts me below my pre-vacation weight by a whopping 2 ounces. But hey, progress is progress. This also means that I'm 27 pounds away from my first milestone goal weight and 52 pounds away from my ultimate goal weight. It was a pretty good week in terms of my goals. I got 4 strength training workouts in, but of course that was squeezed into 3 days after a pretty slow start to the week. I also averaged over 13,000 steps every day. My diet was also on point this week, eating under 1,500 calories a day, keeping my macros in line. I also fasted on Wednesday. We did eat one meal out on Friday, but I kept it on track by just eating a meat lover's omelet, which is a relief considering the struggle I had coming back from vacation. So I'm going to have to stay the course for the next 2 months if I have any hopes of hitting my milestone goal weight before our next big planned event. I have no other obstacles that I know of on the horizon, but life has a way of throwing those things up from time to time, so make sure you stay tuned.